Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Aggretsuko. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing the shape of the head. Let's start with a curve across at the top. And then let's curve it down on both sides. And now let's close off the bottom with a long curve across. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's hop in and let's draw the face. In the center, let's draw a small curve. Then let's curve it down and in on each side. And a curve across the bottom. Now inside for the nose, let's draw a small curve near the top. And curve it down to a point underneath. And then color it in black. Now let's hop under and let's draw the mouth by drawing a triangle shape like this. And color it in black as well. And that's it for the nose and mouth. Now let's hop out and draw the eyes. Let's start by drawing an oval on each side. And color them both in black. Now on the top corners, let's draw a curve out and back in for the eyelashes. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's add the pattern on the face. Let's start under the eyes on the outside here and draw a curve down and in. Then let's hop out underneath each eyelash and let's draw a curve down and bring it up at the bottom. Another curve down and up. One more going down. And then curve it back in underneath. And lastly for the face here, let's draw a circle on top of each eye. And now that we're done the face, let's hop up to the top and draw the ears. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a curve up and out. And the same on the right side. Now let's curve it down, stopping before the head. And then let's add 2 points out underneath. And then one more curve down. Now let's hop inside each of the ears and let's draw a curve up and bring it down. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Underneath the head, let's draw 2 angles down and out. And then let's angle it down to the center, leaving a gap in the middle. Now in that gap, let's angle it up like this. Now let's hop inside and let's draw the collar by drawing a V-shaped point down from the top. Then next to it, let's draw 2 angles in. Angle it back out. And bring it down to the center. Now we're going to hop out and draw the arms. On each side, let's draw a curve down. And then bring it back in at the bottom. Then for the hands, let's draw a curve down and back up underneath each arm. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move underneath and draw the skirt. Underneath on both sides, let's step in and let's draw 2 lines down. And then a curve across the bottom. Now underneath for the legs, let's draw 2 lines down in the center. And then 2 angles in from the outside. And close it off with a curve at the bottom. Now for the feet, let's hop to the center and let's draw a curve in and back up, and the same on the other side. And color them both in black. And that's it for the body. Lastly, let's add the tail. On the right side, next to the skirt, let's draw a curve out. And curve it back around and in. And then let's add some curved stripes inside. And that's it for Aggretsuko. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!